but then you get the chip to the guy and he keeps it or whatever. But like,
Go ahead.
but that's what you do. Is you just keep on going like 20 different stops or something like that. And then you keep on picking up cards or whatever in directions, and then it'll lead you probably to, like, let's say Lighthouse Park. You know what I'm saying? And they start out, everybody meets up over there, like down at the bridge or something. There's some place where there's plenty of parks, maybe Pine Grove Park or something. And we'll start out and go around, and they can ride back to Pine Grove Park no problem after it's all over. And it ends with a big barbecue. It ends with a barbecue. So you get a couple of beers and some Twinkies and whatever, and here and there. And then there's different draws for like different hands, you know. It's like at the end of the day, who's got the best poker hand at the barbecue? If you have a barbecue chicken party at the beach or something, so you go out there and cool off. I wanted to have it in August, like maybe
it sounds good.
Float down or something.
Oh yeah, dude. I so want to do the float down. Dude,
It could be the weekend before after the float down.
Hey, what's up, YouTubers?
But I want to make an annual thing, like an annual poker run. And like it'd be a big barbecue at the beach and fucking all that shit. Run around.
Hey, shit's going on YouTube, bro.
Fucking a hand of poker.
YouTube.
And there's different prizes. We have different
YouTube.
Prizes. We have different cool ass prizes anyway. During the shit.
Friggin', hey, say it. I was saying YouTube. I'm putting this shit on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Say what's up. That's Weasel right there. Friggin'.
You still got a way to find me on Facebook?
Yeah, of course.
Friend me then.
Yeah. Friggin'.
We'll get together and go.
All right there.
Go camping and crap.
Friggin', we just sit here chilling.
Everyone else is taking off to ride. I don't know what you guys want to do. I'm staying behind.
Once in a while, we'll like to get together. We'll grab some beers and go out to like a Johnson's Pond. You know what that is?
Yeah, oh dude, I know where,
Yeah, we go out.
I know Johnson's Pond, just put it this way. I got a spot too.
We got a spot right on the thing. We cleared out all the shit. Bring a hammock or whatever, and some hot dogs or and some beer, and just meet up. Boom,
Oh no, I understand.
And we all like meet up and just ride out to a bunch of
Like, dude, where's everybody going?
Huh?
Where's everybody going?
Yeah, man. We're around now.
All right.
Hey, Charlie.